Hello there. Well, hello. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kweenzilla. If you're seeing this face, even if I'm with my straight backs, even if I do not have my hair on right now, if you've seen this pretty face, or if you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And you've been seeing this pretty girl right here or right here, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm always so excited to film for you guys because anytime I turn the camera on, my energy just goes from 0 to 100. Anyway, today's video is going to be one that I haven't done on this channel before because so guys, let's stop all the talk in today's video. Can you guys guess what's inside the box? So today is going to be a hair review. The first hair, I think I'm a hair review version because I haven't done any hair review on my channel before. Anyway, today we're going to be doing this hair I found on Amazon. You can I'm already spilling all the yes, I'm going to spill all the tea today because we're friends. I'm not gonna keep secrets from you guys, you know. Like if I find a good deal, I'm definitely gonna tell you guys. Anyway, today's hair is from Joedir. You guys know I can't pronounce to save my life, but today's hair is from Joedir and it's HT Gianna and it's in the color 1B. And guess what, guys? I think I'll save the last tea for when we're done with this hair review. So let's get right into this hair review. It comes in this box right here. It's actually a very nice packaging. Let's open it up and see what. And when you open it up, it comes with a wig cap. This is the color of the wig cap. It comes the hair, obviously. Let's just keep this down. Some lashes. I think these actually look nice. These are basic 3D lashes. I'm actually gonna wear these. Normally I don't wear the lashes that come in these boxes because it looks terrible. But this actually looks nice. And then I think it comes with this headband for, and then that's all that's inside. This is what the hair looks like. It's actually a lace front. What it comes with this card, 1B Hitchian. It doesn't say how long it is, but looking at this is how it looks. Ooh, these curls. Are you guys feeling these curls? This is how this hair looks. It has two combs. It has two combs in the front right here. It has two combs in the front and combs at the back, and then it has the adjustable strap. Bald head ho, all these bald head hoes, because we don't cuss when we're filming. Get all this jolted up. Okay guys, this is how it's looking right now, and let's try on the wig. Okay, wait, where's my scissors at? Cut this off there. So let's try on the wig. First impressions. This is so weird, guys, because okay, one thing is that this is actually kind of tight. I know it has adjustable straps, but it's actually kind of tight. But you can tell me nothing in this wig. You can tell me it's actually weird, guys, because I never go for black wigs. I always have like brown. You guys can see I'm feeling this, and I'm actually going through this hair and it's, see, nothing. So this is how the hair looks. So guys, one thing I want to tell you is that if you have a big head, this wig is definitely not for you, because it is. I have a small head and it's actually kind of tight on me. But apart from that, guys, wait. You were saying okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and cut this lace. I'm not gonna cut it on camera because trust me, we're gonna sleep here. So I'm just gonna cut it off camera and then get back. I just finished cutting the lace, And what I'm gonna do, because no one's scalp is this color, I'm going to get some foundation, my NARS foundation, put it on my foundation brush, skin like, and then I'm just going to get some powder right here, and then just to set the foundation and make sure. Thing I actually forgot to mention is that it does have some baby hair. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have some baby hair. That means we're going to be doing some edges. I think it's looking way better now. So guys, this is how we're looking. I'm actually not going to glue this wig down. Normally I would have, but see, can you see the difference from how the scalp was before to how it is now? It looks more natural. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to create some baby hair. Even like it does come with baby hair, that's one thing I'm gonna say, but and then I'm just going to use my Got To Be Ultra Glue Invisible Styling Gel. You know what this is already.
It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.
Baby hairs check. We're just going to get this to hold them down. Ugh. Ah. The tea on this hair. So guys, this hair, I actually got this hair off Amazon for less than $40. Yes, less than $40 you can get this beautiful hair off Amazon. This is actually synthetic hair, and it doesn't actually feel like, guys, I'm combing through this hair, and see, maybe because it's still new, but see, the curls are still here. It's not getting tangled. Come on now, come on. See, I actually really love this hair. Like, I would have never thought. This is it. I don't know how long it is, but I want you guys to see. It actually goes all the way to like this part. Oh, so that's how long it is. It's actually really nice. I'm so in love with this hair. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box, so if you guys want to get this hair, you can click that link and get you some inches, some curls, and be popping. Okay, lovelies, you've come to the end of this hair tutorial, this hair review, this hair, because you love to see it, obviously. But if you watch all the way to the end, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more hair reviews, like review more hair from anywhere, well, not anywhere, because we can't actually get some hair from, you know, because of like, moving on from all of that, like I said, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see me do more hair tutorials, hair reviews, how I style my natural hair, how I wear my braids, even if I haven't had braids in like a whole year, but if you want to see me do videos like that, please comment down below, because it will help me actually know what to film for you guys. And also, the most important thing of all, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't clicked it. We're on our way to 900 subscribers and I'm so excited, guys. And also, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.